Good morning all. Last day you have learned about the plane curves and its representation in parametric equations and the calculus of parametric equations. Also you learned how to compute the length and area of plane curves. Today you have the concept of polar coordinates. We have the expression in the plane in xy coordinates, it's called the rectangular coordinates. Now we have in r theta coordinates, it's called the polar coordinates. Now let's plot 2 points in the r theta plane. First point is 2 pi by 4. So we have, this is the plane xy. So when 1 2, this is 1 2 here, minus 1 minus 2, this is the origin 0. Here r is equal to 2 and theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. We have, this is the ray theta equal to pi by 4. So the angle from origin to here is pi by 4, and we have the distance from origin to, this is 2. So somewhere, so this is the point 2 pi by 4. So this is theta equal to pi by 4 and this is the length 2. So this is the point 2 pi by 4. We have the next point, r is equal to 1 minus pi. 1 minus pi. So r equal to 1 and theta is equal to minus pi. So we can draw in polar coordinates. So this is 0, this is 1, here 1, here minus 1, minus 1, 1. And theta equal to, we have the ray theta equal to minus pi. So it's from theta equal to pi is here, theta equal to minus pi we have from here to here, and r equal to 1 here. So this is the point theta equal to minus pi and r equal to 1. So this is the point, this one, if we draw a radius, this will be the point. So this is the point 1 minus pi. How to draw only the point. So this is the point, no need to draw the full circle. This is the point. I just draw to how to find the radial component. This is the point 1 minus pi. Now we have the relationship between the rectangular coordinates and the polar coordinates. We have the rectangular coordinates expression is in xy coordinates and the polar coordinates expression is in r theta coordinates. So if we substitute x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, we have the r theta expression. So x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, we will get the rectangular coordinates expression. And if we have xy components, then r square is equal to x square plus y square and tan theta equal to y by x. We will get the rectangular coordinates expressions. Now we have two problems to find. If we have a polar coordinates expression, then convert that point into Cartesian coordinates, and if we have a polar coordinates expression, if we have a Cartesian coordinates expression, convert that into polar coordinates. First we have to convert into Cartesian coordinates, 4 pi by 6. So we have 4 pi by 6. So r is equal to 4 and theta equal to pi by 6. So x equal to r cos theta. We have 4 into cos pi by 6. Pi is 180, 180 by 6 is 30, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So which is 2 root 3. And y is equal to r sin theta equal to 4 into sin pi by 6. Pi is 180, 180 by 6 is 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So 2 root 3, 2 is the point. Is the rectangular coordinate point. Ordinate point. Next we have the expression is minus 1 1. We have to convert this into polar coordinates. We have x equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. So r square is equal to x square plus y square, which is equal to minus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2. So r is equal to root 2. Now theta is equal to tan y by x, tan inverse y by x, which is equal to tan inverse y is 1 by minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 pi by 4. So this is cos theta is r cos theta is minus 1. So cos theta is minus 1 and sin theta is plus 1. So it's in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin is positive, so it is 3 pi by 4. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4, which is equal to 3 pi by 4. So the r theta is equal to, theta is 3 pi by 4 and r is 1. R is root 2. So this is the r theta component. Next problem is sketch r equal to 2 and find the corresponding rectangular coordinates equation. So here r equal to 2 and theta can assume any value. So r is the distance from origin to the points, and equal to 2. So this is if we have some fixed origin and the distance is 2 to theta any value, so it will be a circle. So this value is r equal to 2. So that is r equal to 2 is a circle. Now we have r means that is r square equal to 2. Now r square, the x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So r square equal to 2 means x square plus y square is equal to 2 is a circle with center origin and radius 2. So the Cartesian coordinate expression is coordinate equation corresponding to r equal to 2 is x square plus y square. This is 4. Sorry, squaring. So x square plus y square is equal to 4. Next problem is sketch the graph of theta equal to 2 pi by 3 and find the corresponding rectangular coordinate expression. So here r can take any value. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. So theta is the angle from origin to origin axis or x-axis to the point in anti-clockwise direction. So theta equal to 2 pi by 3, we have 2 pi by 3. So which is equal to 2 into 1, pi is 180, 180 by 3, 360 by 3 is 120 degree. So the angle is, if we measured, so the angle is, so this is 120. Degree or 2 pi by 3 radian. So this is the line. When r greater than 0, it is the ray is on the ray is above x-axis and when r less than 0, the ray is below the x-axis. And the corresponding theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Theta is tan inverse y by x equal to 2 pi by 3. So y by x is equal to tan 2 pi by 3 equal to tan 120 second quadrant. Theta is tan value is negative, and for 2 pi by 3 is pi minus pi by 3, for tan pi by 3 is tan 60, the value is minus root 3, second quadrant it's negative, and inverse 2 pi by 3 is minus root 3, that is y equal to minus root 3x or y plus root 3x equal to 0 is the equation corresponding to theta equal to 2 pi by 3. This is a straight line with slope equal to y equal to mx, so which is equal to slope equal to minus root 3. Next problem is sketch the graph of r equal to 2 sin theta. Here, like to find the graph, we are doing find the points of r, x and y, like that. Here also we have to find the points corresponding to r and theta. When theta equal to 0, the r value is 2 into sin 0, so it will be 0. When theta equal to pi by 3, that is at 30 degree, sin theta is 1 by 2 into 2, 1. When theta equal to pi by 4, sin theta is 1 by root 2 into 2, 1 by root 2 into 2 is root 2, is equal to 1.4 approximately. And when 2 pi by 3, it's 60, sin 60, the value is root 3 by 2 into 2, it's root 3 and approximately 1.7. When theta equal to pi by 2, sin theta is 1 and the value is 2. 2 pi by 3, the value is sin 2 pi by 3 is 1. Sin 2 pi by 3 is sin 120 and its value is 1. Sin 120 is pi minus 160, so the value is root 3. Root 3 by 2 into 2, so it is root 3. Here it is root 2, and when 5 pi by 6, it is same as 30, so the value is 1, and pi, this is 0. So if we plot the graph, when theta equal to 0, r equal to 0 and theta equal to 30 degree, the value is 1. So this will be the value of theta equal to 30. So here it is 1. When theta equal to 4, this is somewhere more than 1, 1.4. So somewhere here. And when theta equal to somewhere here. And when theta equal to, the value is 2. So this is theta equal to pi by 2 is here, the value is 2. So somewhere here. So next value is root 3, somewhere here. This is root 2, and 4, this is 1. So the graph will be something like this. This is a circle. So this is at 1.7, 1.4, this is at 1. Similarly here also 1, 1.4, 1.7. So like that, r is equal to, so this is a circle. Now we can convert r equal to 2 sin theta. R equal to 2 sin theta. So here r equal to 2 sin theta. Multiplying with r both sides. We get both sides. We get r square is equal to 2r sin theta. So here x equal to change to polar Cartesian coordinates. We are substituting x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, and x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here r square is there. So this is x square plus y square. 2 into r sin theta is y. That is x square plus y square minus 2y equal to 0. This is a circle. So this can be written as x square plus y minus 1 the whole square, y square minus 2y plus 1. Equal to 1. This can be rewritten as, this can be rewritten as, that is, this is a circle with center 0, 1 and radius 1 equal to 1.